In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from AliExpress into your WordPress WooCommerce store. We'll go through the full process in a simple and practical way, so you can take a product from AliExpress and turn it into a ready-to-sell item inside your own online store. If you're setting up a dropshipping workflow or just want to speed up product listing, this method can save you a lot of time. To begin, open your WordPress WooCommerce store and make sure you're logged into the admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage your products, pricing, and store settings. Before importing anything, it's a good idea to confirm that WooCommerce is already installed and working correctly, since the product will be added directly into your existing catalog. Next, install the AliExpress Product Import plugin or browser extension shown in the tutorial. This tool is what allows you to transfer product information from AliExpress into WooCommerce without copying everything manually. Once it's installed, connect the importer to your WooCommerce store. Depending on the tool you're using, this usually involves authorizing the connection so the importer can send product data into your site. After that, go to AliExpress and search for the product you want to sell. Take your time here and choose carefully. Look at the product page closely so you understand what's being imported, especially the photos, options, and pricing structure. Once you've found the right item, use the importer to copy the product into WooCommerce. When the product has been imported, review everything before publishing it. Check the images, the product description, the available variants such as size or color, and the pricing details. This is an important step because imported listings often need cleanup to match your brand and store style. Make sure to remove unnecessary supplier information. That includes anything in the description that refers to the original seller, shipping details you don't want displayed, or promotional language that doesn't fit your store. The goal is to make the listing look professional and consistent with the rest of your website. Then set your own selling price and profit margin. Don't just accept the imported numbers automatically. Be sure your pricing covers product cost, fees, and the margin you want to earn. Next, choose the correct WooCommerce category so the product appears in the right section of your store. This helps customers browse more easily and keeps your catalog organized. Finally, publish the product and open the storefront page to check how it looks live. Review the title, images, price, and overall layout to make sure everything appears correctly. Once that looks good, your product is ready for customers.